Got the new Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, but not a Samsung phone? No problem. Here's how to get them paired to any Android in just a few seconds. First, download the Galaxy Wearable App from the Google Play Store. To enter pairing mode, open your charging case with the buds inside. Locate the button on the back of the case and press and hold it for about 5 seconds. The indicator light will start blinking red, green, and blue when it's ready to pair. Open the app and tap Start to begin the setup. To connect and sync, select Buds 4 Pro from the list of available devices in the app and tap Connect. Finally, allow all requested permissions. That's it. Your Android now has access to Buds 4's software updates, gesture controls, and voice-activated ambient sound. Enjoy your new buds.